What is up, everybody? This is Killer K-Rail, and I'm reporting live from Liberty Park in beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah. It is Motivational Monday. Unless you're watching the playback of this on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, then it's going to be a playback. But as of right now, in the present moment, it is Motivational Monday. Make sure to like and share our page. Make sure to like and share our Instagram page and our Facebook page, and especially our YouTube page as well. My Infernal Body. Jill's not with me today. She just got back from a short vacation. She will be back shortly. I promise you that. I have raccoon eyes because it's broad daylight and it's the middle of the afternoon. Okay, we got to talk about defining the aging process in a minute. But first, we have to do a movement break. Where's the center of the screen? Right there. See how I move my finger back and forth? Anyway, I'm going to jump back there, and we're going to do a fun little pattern with the body weight that involves a alternating. Let's do a 3-point squat thrust, and then we're going to do shoulder taps on a plank position. So I'm going to do it this angle and this angle. You can do this any time of day, and if the squat thrust part is too arduous for you, you can always step your feet back, and I'll show you how to do that. But I highly encourage you to get some movement in every single day, especially on Motivational Monday and Taco Tuesday and Fat Wednesday, or whatever it's called. Or was that Fat Tuesday? That was brought up Catholic. Fat Tuesday years ago. It doesn't matter. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Get out and do a movement break. If you want an intense one, follow along. Here we go. Okay, I think I'm about centered. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put one hand on the ground. We're gonna kick our legs back. Then we're gonna kick our legs forward. We're gonna stand up, put our hands back on our hips, switch hands. Then we're gonna come back down into a plank position, and we're gonna do a shoulder tap each side, and then we're gonna repeat the process, okay? Here we go. Right hand down, kick your legs back, back forward, back up, left hand, back, forward. Two hands, both feet, shoulder taps. Back up, opposite hand, other hand. Back up, two hands. Shoulder taps. Okay, I'll go sideways. One hand. Other hand. Both hands. Shoulder taps. Back up. Okay, you got the picture? Okay, good. So, give that one a spin for about 6 rounds, 5 or 6, something like that, and you won't be sorry. Now, when I was kicking my legs back, if you want, you can step your feet back instead of kick them back if it's too much impact for you. All right, now, this park I'm at has this trail that goes all the way around it, made of concrete. So when I first got here, I walked the trail twice barefooted because I'm a big barefoot advocate. And yes, I have raccoon eyes. I'll remind you again. I'll try to keep my head up as much as I can because I know it's very insulting when you see my raccoon eyes. So when you're barefoot in grass or on concrete, you are earthing, you are grounding. You're getting negative ions from the earth. They send a positive signal throughout your whole body, putting your body into homeostasis, which is a point of balance, which is where you want to be. It balances your brain function, your hormones, your organ function, everything else in between. If you walk 30 seconds across the grass and back, you just got into homeostasis. But more importantly, while I was on my walk, this dude comes walking up to me, mid-stride, earbuds in, head down, because I like to concentrate when I'm working out and exercising, stops me dead in my tracks and starts complimenting me, saying how great shape I was in, how much of a motivator I look like, and all these different things. And I returned to him and I said, "How old are you, sir?" He said, 80. 80 years old. He's like, "I'm trying to get in shape. I'm trying to change my ways. I'm trying to get stronger. And I'm trying to start with just by walking." So what I have to tell you is this. At My Infernal Body, we focus on real results for real adults. I am a real adult. I'm 40 plus. I'm 48. And I'm starting to get saggy skin. I'm starting to lose muscle tone. I know what's happening. But you know what? I know how to fix those things. I know how to slow them down. I know how to try to reverse them, and that's what I've been working on for years and years and years. That's why at 48, people still come up to me and say, "Dude, you're ripped," and "Dude, you're in great shape." Me being ripped and in shape is only by default because of the things that I do and the practices I do. And one of the big things I do is this right here. It's the computer inside your skull. You got to think all the time that age is just a number, because it is. If I run into a guy who's 80 years old on the trail, who's just starting out now, walking, working out, getting stronger, and all these different things, I don't want to hear any excuses from you 30-somethings and 40-somethings and 50-somethings out there who sit on a couch, who get better at sitting every day, who get better at having bad posture every day, who get better at having back pain every day, watching Netflix all the time. I don't want to hear any complaints. I don't want to hear any excuses. It starts with one 30-minute walk a day. That's it. And you can start reversing the aging process, and you can age gracefully. I'm 100% convinced of that, and that's what we focus on here at My Infernal Body. So what's going to be your excuse today? I don't want to hear it. Your excuse is going to be nothing. You're going to get up off the couch and you're going to do 5 minutes. You're going to do that pattern I just did. How about that? I give you these free movement breaks all the time. How hard can it be? Practice the movement break 3 times a day for 5 minutes. What's the worst that's gonna happen? You're gonna have better joint function. You're gonna start getting motivated. You're gonna start feeling better. Your brain function is gonna get better because you're doing crossbody patterns and complex movement patterns. That stuff fires up the brain like a Christmas tree. So you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain by starting right now in this present moment. So that is my Motivational Monday public service announcement to you. So start right now. Don't waste time. This is Killer K-Rail. I'm reporting live from Liberty Park. Remember to like and share our videos and make sure to subscribe to our page. My Infernal Body, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of them. You know how it works. Till next time, maybe I'll be with Jill next time. I can't guarantee it, but probably. This is Killer K-Rail reporting live.